The risk management is everything. You should always have big wins and small losses. I know when I first started trading, my losses used to be big and my wins used to be small. But over time, I've learned a few things that risk management is everything. So let's jump into the trades that I took today. So the trade that I took today was on Microsoft. So Microsoft started trending this morning. We broke this pre-market high and it was like the cleanest price action that I saw this morning. It went from 331, making a move all the way to 336 and then started pulling back. I was looking for a bounce around this area right here. If you could bounce around the VWAP. So I was looking for a bounce around this 334 area. What happened was I failed to realize that there was so much volume on this. Look at this volume on the red candle. This big volume and we are selling on a big volume, and I failed to realize this at that given time, and I entered this trade. I roughly took around 10% hit on this trade, and this was an A+ setup. I got out because I don't like to hold something beyond my stop loss.